01/6 Masturbating a lot? Here's what it does to your body. Once considered a perversion, people have started regarding masturbation a healthy practice now. It is satisfying, pleasant, safe, and ensures sexual activeness. You might have set a number for its frequency, or may just choose to go with the flow, but sometimes, you may think you are overdoing it. And this feeling can get you worried. But the good news is, there is no specific number you can set for masturbation sessions until it doesn't harm your daily activities. Here, we have mentioned a few cases when you need to keep your boner or vagina under supervision. 6. It could hurt you. It could hurt you. Masturbating in excess could even injure you. Though the injury can be mild, like skinned chafing of the vagina and penis, and in certain severe scenarios, can even cause Peyronie's disease, which means a buildup of plaque in the shaft of the penis due to excess stroking. So, if you're hurting yourself, you must limit the frequency. 03/6 You may get stressed. You may get stressed. Masturbating in excess might also impact your social life. Doing it too frequently might prevent you from going out. This can negatively impact your mental health. However, if this is the case with you, we would recommend you seek medical attention, as this does not come under normal sexual behavior. 04/6 It might impact your sex life. It might impact your sex life. No doubt, masturbation helps in staying sexually active. But if you're overdoing it, it might impact your sexual life. This is because rubbing or stroking your vagina or penis teaches a solo act to your brain. And once you perform it frequently, your brain and body get off only in your solo response. This could impact your sexual relationship with your partner. 05/6 When you use unclean sex toys. When you use unclean sex toys. If you are using sex toys for masturbating, you must keep them sanitized and clean, as unclean toys may cause bacteria and infections. Also, avoid using them with multiple partners. This may increase the risk of sexual infections and will do more harm than pleasure. 06/6 You might get addicted. You might get addicted. It is not only with masturbation, but any type of addiction, and can cause loss of control. Manage to curb this addiction, as it might hurt your well-being in a long run. Again, you must seek medical help if this is the case with you.